Hello everyone, welcome to our first devlog for the project Fish Armstrong. Today we will be presenting our project that we'll be doing for these 2 weeks, as well as talking about the small minuscule progress that we've gotten so far. For starters, we'll be talking about the general idea of the game we had in mind.
So, the main idea for Fish Armstrong is that you're a tiny fish with rather large human arms, who's constantly seeking the love of other fishes, while trying to avoid bigger enemies and threats who may lurk around the depths of the sea.
As Fish Armstrong, you might seem rather weak, fragile, and barely able to outrun most of the predators such as sharks. But with the help of your flexing powers that comes with your human arms, you're able to scare most of them away, even for a little while trying to hug other smaller fishes at the same time.
It's a simple, endless game which is predictable in many ways. The reason why we settled on this kind of idea is that this is our first game project as a group, and we decided to create something we're more familiar with. On the program side of things, we only managed to create the basic framework of the game so far. Classes for enemy, player, background, etc. Very basic things as of now, but most of the struggle comes from actually working together in a whole different new way, and it only became apparent during the early stages of the game project.
So, as for the graphics, we've started with designing the art style of the game. I'm currently working on the design of the protagonist, Fish Armstrong, but we've also started designing the map and some background arts and the enemy sharks. As it is now, we've taken a more cartoonish art style rather than a realistic one, kinda like a child's game. And since the game plays out in the ocean, we've chosen a kinda dark palette with a lot of blue colors.
Thanks for taking your time to listen to our first devlog. If you have any other questions, please state them down below in the comment section. We'll try to answer most